Hi everyone, Melencio here, and today gagawin lang natin is I'm gonna be dropping an announcement about this series that we are going to do for the whole month of December. So 2023, December 2023. And ito yung draft ng gagawin nating mga tutorials and mga complete guide. Okay? And yun. So meron pa tayong 11 lessons as of now. But basically madadagdagan pa to kapag may mga suggestion kayo na mga features na gusto nyong i-take up natin sa tutorial natin at gusto nyong matutunan. Okay? So probably yung kada lesson nito mayroon siyang siguro maximum na 5, mga 3 to 5 videos each topic. And so since may 11 dito, so times 3 or times 5, so nasa around 33 o to 50 55 videos yung pwede natin magawa just to take up yung yung paano gamitin yung platform natin, okay, yung Accio. Okay, so yun, Accio pa lang gagamitin natin, and it's an all-in-one content management system or customer relationship management na system. And yun, many of you are already familiar with it. So pero kung first time yung gamitan ng Accio and you want resources na pwede nyo magamit agad, you can head directly to Accio Academy and create an account over there, and you can access yung mga training, yung mga free videos dyan. Okay, yung mga free tutorials na pwede mo nang maaral. So kung ikaw na parang gusto mong, minsan kasi yung iba gusto mo nang mapanood yung ibang mga tutorial bago bumili or bago mag-subscribe. So definitely you can watch all these videos, yung mga tutorial na nandito. Okay? So paano siya gamitin and paano siya i-implement. So we have 13 lessons so far. And madadagdagan pa yan sa mga next na mga araw. Okay? So that's it. So ito nga yung outline gagawin natin. And if you want to know more, meron ako nilagay na link sa baba para ma-update kayo yung mag-sign up lang kayo ng form para may padala kayong update ng bagong video dun sa email address nyo. Okay? So sa inbox nyo na ipapadala para less hassle. So pag may new video, yun, lalabas sa sa email nyo. Okay? So yun lang naman, announcement lang muna ngayon, and later this day we'll have a more detailed approach on this series. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and once again, this is Melencio, and see you sa next video natin. Okay? Bye-bye.